If you're searching for the best ElevenLabs promo codes, there's one important thing to know right away. There are no permanent official ElevenLabs promo codes. Instead, ElevenLabs usually runs limited time promotions, automatic discounts, and special offers that can save you money without you needing to enter a coupon code manually. In this video, I'll show you the best ways to find those savings, how the discounts usually work, and what to look for before you subscribe. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more software tips and money-saving guides. Let's get into it. First, the biggest thing to understand is that ElevenLabs often applies offers automatically at checkout. That means if a promotion is active, you may not see a traditional promo code box or a code you need to type in. Instead, the discount appears by itself when you sign up or upgrade your plan. So if you've been searching for a secret code, the better strategy is to look for the current official deal on the pricing or sign-up page. One of the most common offers is a discount for new users, especially on the creator plan. In some promotional campaigns, eligible users have been able to get 50% off their first month. That can be a great way to test the platform at a lower cost, especially if you want to explore voice cloning, text-to-speech, or higher usage limits before committing long-term. The key point here is that this kind of deal is usually automatic. You don't hunt for a code, you simply sign up during the promotion window and the savings are applied if you qualify. Another smart way to save on ElevenLabs is to choose an annual plan instead of paying month to month. This is one of the most reliable savings methods because it doesn't depend on a special promo campaign. With yearly billing, plans like Starter, Creator, or Pro can effectively give you around 2 months free compared to paying monthly. That means if you already know you'll be using the service consistently, annual billing can lower your total cost quite a bit. Before choosing a plan, compare your expected usage, monthly needs, and how often you'll actually generate audio. If you're planning to use ElevenLabs for content creation, narration, or client work, annual billing may offer the best value over time. There are also seasonal promotions worth watching for. For example, ElevenLabs has offered special limited time events like Saturday sessions, where eligible audio and music generations use far fewer credits for a short period. These promotions are especially useful if you create a lot of content and want to stretch your credits further. Again, these offers are usually automatic, so there's no promo code to enter. You just need to be aware that the promotion is active and take advantage of it while it lasts. That's why it helps to check official announcements, pricing pages, emails, and the ElevenLabs dashboard regularly. If you're trying to find the best current deal, here's the easiest workflow. Step 1. Visit the official ElevenLabs website and review the pricing page. Step 2. Look for any banner, pop-up, or checkout message mentioning a discount. Step 3. Check whether the offer is only for new users, only for a first month, or only for annual billing. Step 4. Compare the monthly and yearly options before you pay. And step 5, if a seasonal promotion is active, make sure you understand how credits are being used so you get the maximum benefit. A lot of people make the mistake of searching random coupon websites and entering expired codes. That usually wastes time, and in some cases it can lead to misleading or outdated information. Since ElevenLabs promotions are often automatic, the safest approach is to rely on official offers directly from ElevenLabs rather than unofficial code lists. That way, you know the deal is valid and you avoid missing out on the real savings. So to summarize the best ElevenLabs promo code strategy, there usually isn't a permanent code, but there are still real ways to save. Look for automatic first month discounts, choose annual billing if you want long-term savings, and watch for seasonal credit promotions that reduce costs temporarily. If you're smart about timing your purchase, you can still get a great deal without ever typing in a promo code. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who's looking for the best ElevenLabs discount. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.